value your ideas.
We enrich people's lives through manufacturing.
I like UMC because of the great benefits and leadership.
We want people who are willing to work hard.
At UMC, we love to be challenged.
What I like most about working at UMC is the culture and the people. It doesn't matter what department they're in or what they do here, they're willing to help, and everyone has a smile on their face. It just makes coming to work a lot more enjoyable.
I am surrounded by a great team.
We are industry leaders.
We give back to our community. Our products help save lives.
I like working here because there's room to grow in the position that I've picked, and I'm always constantly learning new things through my mentors and my leaders.
The best part about working at UMC is the people.
I love all the new challenges that are opportunities to try things new and different.
You'll always have that person or whoever you're working with by your side.
We are innovators transforming manufacturing.
My favorite part of the day is making an impact, whether it's through the parts, through the customers, through the people on the floor.
UMC is not only family owned, it is a family.